There they are. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike, aka Living with 3M Auto Vlogging. That's my 2018 lifted Indoraptor Big Zeus. And yes, we've got an EcoBoost oil change for you guys. Don't even think about clicking off of this video, because this is not just your average EcoBoost oil change. So if you guys have got the infamous EcoBoost Rattle, whether it's wastegates, cam phasers, y'all check out these videos right here and right here. And you'll know that I'm pretty much up on I've been through it all, so I'm right there with you guys. I've always been looking for an additive to the oil to quieten down things. Manufacturers, oh, you shouldn't add additives to the EcoBoost engine. I know that. All right, that's why, you know, Lucas and Mystery Oil and all kinds of these additives, they really don't do anything. But I've been watching some videos of a company called Prolube. Y'all might have heard of them. So I sat and watched these videos where they put these additives and oils up against the Prolube product on a machine with a bearing, and it adds pressure and it pushes it to fail. And every additive failed at some point. And they compare them in different videos. They compare them against the Prolube, and the Prolube never heats up, burns up the bearing. I mean, I'm not sure this is gonna work at all, but you're gonna hear it here first, because like I said, I've been through all these rattles with you guys, and y'all check the links in the description for all my videos with the rattles, and you'll see I've been there, okay? And I'm trying, just like you guys are, I'm trying to find something that will help us. And these guys, this Prolube company, I don't know them from Adam other than the videos that I've been shown. All right. So they're not giving me any kickback. I'm not getting free oil, anything like that. This is not a promotional video. We're going to find out. I mean, I'm at that stage in the video right now that I've ordered it, I paid for it with my own money, and we're gonna change the oil, do an additive, and I'm gonna do a sound test. I've got a decibel meter on my phone. We're gonna see if it quietens down. Pop the hood. All right, guys, let's get to it. All right, I got 5 quarts here. A quart here is 6 quarts is what my engine calls for. So, and got the oil filter wrench. You guys be prepared for that. Also, the oil treatment itself, you don't want to do 6 quarts of your oil plus this 16 ounces of the Prolube. That'll overfill you. So you want to deduct from this, add this, then bring it up to the line, you know, 6 quarts total, guys, no more, no less. All right, so we're gonna loosen the oil filler cap. That'll help the oil drain out. Set that up here out of the way. Let's crawl under here. I'll show you guys where the oil pan is. Get to this bolt right here. There's gonna be your drain. So now we're gonna come back around to the front. We're gonna use the oil filter wrench right there, just like that. Pull down. All right, let's see if I can get up in here. Turn this just like this. You want to be really careful. Lower this thing down just like that. All right, coat a little bit of oil around that ring so it'll seal. All right, so let's go up here. We're right there, you see it? Okay, let's see if I can do this video and put it on at the same time. There we go. Yes. All right, so some people are gonna ask, how tight do I get this? You only want your oil filter hand tight, okay? Hand tight. And then if you want to, if you feel like you're a little worried about it, put your oil filter wrench on and give it a quarter turn. But that's it. Do not over tighten that. Okay guys, I forgot an important part of your oil change is the funnel. You're gonna have to have a good funnel, especially on these trucks, because this filler tube is so far down over here. All right, I'll start by, we'll just go ahead and put 5 quarts in of the Mobile 1. Add 1 ounce of oil treatment per 1 quart of motor oil in this container, so I'll measure it correctly and I'll put the rest up for the next oil change. All right, so we're gonna set the phone there with the decibel meter. Okay, so we've let it idle. You can hear my voice, you can see my voice on the decibel meter. See the water moving. Now we're gonna add the Prolube. See if there's any difference over about 10 to 15 minutes of run time. There was a 39, did you see it? 38. I absolutely cannot believe this. It is super quiet. That is amazing. I cannot believe that the rattle is actually gone. Now it gets even quieter once the initial start's over with. Wow. We got Santa Claus and Frosty out in the front yard. Truck's running. It's actually running. Guys, we have a highway down across from us and you hear cars, so I know that effect. It's not a true test, because normally if I had a airplane hangar or a shop building that was really quiet, that would be ideal. But I'm out here just every day in the driveway and I wanted to see if I could tell a difference. I mean, see, you got cars coming by, you can hear them. So it's not a true test, but it was enough of a test for me that it made that much of a difference with all this noise going on that it raised an eyebrow or two. And I'm like, hey, for what it costs for this company, I don't know if I give 16 or 20 bucks, something for that small container. It's well worth it to me. And you know, I'll put a link, but y'all, you know, Prolube. I mean, I'm not making anything off of it. I am a affiliate through Amazon, but they don't even sell through Amazon. So I'm just telling you, I'm not making anything. I just want to make a good, informative video. Now I'm gonna take it down the road. Y'all want to go? Let's see what we got. Wow, it's super quiet. I mean, I am wow, this is absolutely amazing. Roll this window down. Let's listen to my blow-off valve. Yeah. Let's pull up in the back driveway. So quiet. I can't believe this. The diesel sound is gone. Hear the turbos. Put it up in park. That's gonna do it for the video, guys. Came out next day, cold start. Not a rattle at all. Y'all can hear it in the background. I am super impressed. So, hey, give it a try. I mean, what's it gonna hurt? Reply in the comments, let me know if it worked for you or not. So, all right, guys, catch you on the next one.